Hey guys, so here is how to access your IXL questions that you need to do for science. You will click on IXL, and then once you get into IXL, you'll see over here it says 18 suggestions from your teacher, or yours might be different if you have IXL for other stuff too, but you'll click on that, and when you scroll down, you'll see all of these science ones that need to be completed, okay? So you will click on them, and once you click on them, you'll see this get started, click start. Your challenge is over here. You want to try to get as high as you can, at least an 80 on different things. So I expect all of these to be completed before next Friday, which is when you go on spring break. Otherwise, then I'm going to expect you to work on them on spring break. So please get these done just as quick as possible. And if you have any issues or questions, please reach out.